In this video, I will show how to remove a drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. As we can see, we have this drop-down list. And you want to remove this drop-down list. So select it, Review, Data, then click on Data Validation. Now here you will see this option, Clear All. Click on it, then click on OK. So now we can see we don't have this drop-down list here. Similarly, this cell has drop-down list. Select it, then Data, Validation and Clear All. Then click on OK. Another way, select that cell in Home tab. Here you will see the Clear. So click on Clear Formats. So here click on Clear All. So now that data and drop-down list now deleted. So this is the way you can delete a drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.